About 10:20 p.m. now. These cars are still stuck on Lakeshore Drive. Heard in the news that a bus wiped out just north of here, all the way at the end of this row. And these cars haven't moved since. They're starting to run out of gas. You can see some folks trying to turn cars around and go down ramps the wrong way because they're running out of gas and probably getting cold and have no one else is helping them. There's been a few people out helping people push cars through the snow. This one van right here in the middle of my frame with the ladders on it, I know for a fact he's been there for over an hour. Hasn't moved an inch. So now people are starting to take matters in their own hand. There was another big bolt of lightning.
Inside, take a look at this, Rob and Kate, and now we're going to move over here. Okay.
It truly is the snowpocalypse. It's supposed to be like this the entire night, from what I hear. All this wind and noise and lightning and thunder going on. I'm probably not going to get much sleep tonight, but at least it'll be an entertaining show. Unbelievable.
Quiet it has been since 9/11.